Alright, I'm back, and I got the spring reattached to the insulator card here, and I'm going to do this the easier way, which is to install the switches and then get the spring attached to the stop cam. As you can see, this makes it a lot easier to get things installed. Get the micro switches installed on the cam, and then the actual stop piece, and this is the one that I made, the new one. So you get all that assembled and push it all back into position. Get to where you can feel for the hole. It may take there it is. Just a little bit of make sure everything's roughly in position, and go ahead and get the first screw, top one, started. Don't cross thread it. Like I did cross thread it though. There, I think it's going together correctly now. Alright. Leave it loose. Don't connect the bottom yet until you get the spring hooked on, because you'll need to be able to move the lever all the way back around past the resting point in order to get the spring hooked on. And what I'm basically going to do now is fish the spring around to get to where it's laying on top of the cam. Okay, then comes the next fun part, and you might actually have to remove this plate here in order to do this. I had to last time I did this. I've done it actually two different ways, twice. I've done it with the plate in place and without it in place. With it in place, you'll have to move the wiring harness out of the way, and then get the spring and see it fell back down. But the name of the game is getting the end of that hook on the spring and putting it back in that cutout on the cam. So I'm going to remove this plate. I'll come back.